Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated releases in the world of mirrorless cameras, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. If you're a content creator, professional photographer, or even an enthusiastic hobbyist, you'll want to stick around because this camera might just redefine Canon's mid-range lineup. According to recent leaks, Canon is preparing to unleash a game-changer that could shake up the mirrorless market in 2025. With a variety of exciting upgrades, it's looking like the Canon R6 Mark III could be a powerhouse that blends advanced features with affordability, and yes, the display is turning out to be the biggest talking point yet. A next-gen display, Canon answers longtime user demands. Let's start with what everyone's buzzing about, the display upgrade. For years, Canon users have voiced their frustrations about the LCD panels on mid-range models. But if these leaks prove accurate, Canon has been listening. The R6 Mark III is rumored to introduce a brand new OLED articulating screen, which could elevate the entire shooting experience. Gone are the days of limited-angle views and washed-out colors. OLED technology will bring superior contrast, deeper blacks, and enhanced visibility in bright lighting conditions, perfect for outdoor shoots or complex lighting setups. This is a major leap from the standard LCDs we've seen in previous Canon models, and it puts the R6 Mark III in direct competition with Sony's A7RV, which is known for its flexible and high-quality display, but Canon might just go a step further. The new screen will reportedly tilt, swivel, and fully articulate, making it incredibly versatile for vloggers, low-angle photography, vertical shooting, or handheld video work. Whether you're on the street capturing candid moments or filming your next YouTube vlog, the Canon R6 Mark III's front-facing OLED screen will be your best friend. OLED, a game-changer for color accuracy and monitoring for those focused on color-accurate work. This OLED screen is more than a visual treat, it's a necessity. Videographers and photographers often struggle with color grading due to inaccurate previews. With the enhanced contrast and richer colors provided by OLED, you'll be able to get closer to your final product in camera, and let's not forget, shooting in bright sunlight has always been a challenge with traditional LCDs. But OLED tech shines, literally, when it comes to bright environments. That means outdoor wildlife photographers, wedding filmmakers, or anyone working in natural light will appreciate the clarity and reliability of this upgrade. What about the EVF? A mixed bag. While the screen is getting a major overhaul, early reports suggest that the electronic viewfinder might not receive the same level of love. According to the most credible Canon R6 Mark III leaks, this upcoming model may skip over eye-tracking AF technology found in Canon's higher-tier cameras like the EOS R5 and R3. This could be a strategic choice. Canon may be trying to keep the R6 Mark III within an affordable mid-range bracket, ensuring it doesn't cannibalize sales from its flagship models. But don't get discouraged, the EVF is still expected to be bright, clear, and responsive. While we may not see cutting-edge eye control features, the autofocus system overall is likely to see refinement, especially when paired with Canon's next-generation processor, sensor upgrade, more resolution, better low-light performance. Moving on to another area of enhancement, the image sensor. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is expected to get a modest but meaningful resolution boost. The current R6 Mark II features a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, and leaks suggest that the Mark III will continue with a similar resolution but with refined dynamic range and improved low-light capabilities. The real upgrade comes from pairing this updated sensor with Canon's new Digic processor, potentially the Digic X or a newer iteration. This will result in faster readout speeds, better high ISO performance, and enhanced real-time autofocus tracking, particularly for subjects in motion. Whether you're capturing fast-paced sports or wildlife, the R6 Mark III might be more responsive and accurate than its predecessor's image stabilization. Consistency. You can count on. Canon isn't reinventing the wheel when it comes to in-body image stabilization, but that's actually a good thing. The R6 series already boasts some of the best stabilization tech in a mirrorless body, and the 8.5 stops of compensation are rumored to remain in the Mark III model. That means handheld shooting will continue to be a breeze, even in low-light scenarios or when using longer lenses. Combine that with digital stabilization in video mode and you've got one of the best hybrid shooting platforms out there, ideal for creators, vloggers, streamers, and filmmakers. Rejoice with its fully articulating OLED screen, rock-solid IBIS, and potentially upgraded autofocus system. The Canon R6 Mark III is shaping up to be an ideal choice for vloggers, YouTubers, and indie filmmakers. If you're someone who needs a lightweight, high-performance mirrorless camera that balances video and photo capabilities, this could be one of the best vlogging cameras of 2025. Features like dual card slots, external microphone and headphone jacks, and clean HDMI output are expected to be retained, making it a great tool for live streaming and professional workflows. You can confidently set it up as a studio camera or take it on the go for travel vlogs and adventure content. Autofocus and speed. Improved AI, faster tracking. Canon has been heavily investing in AI-driven autofocus systems, and the R6 Mark III will likely benefit from these advancements. While it might not get the advanced eye-controlled AF from the R3, it will almost certainly offer subject recognition for humans, animals, and vehicles, an essential for modern photographers and videographers alike. The burst shooting speed is also rumored to improve slightly, potentially reaching up to 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter, which is great for sports and action photography. Combined with the updated processor and sensor, we're looking at a fast, intelligent camera that stays true to Canon's legacy of speed and accuracy. Pricing strategy and market placement. Canon's decision to hold back some pro-tier features might be disappointing for some, but it's a smart play. By doing so, the brand can maintain a competitive price, making the R6 Mark III an appealing upgrade for users transitioning from APS-C or entry-level full-frame models. Expect the Canon EOS R6 Mark III price to hover around the $2,500 mark, similar to the R6 Mark II's launch. This would position it perfectly between beginner models like the EOS R8 and more advanced options like the R5. Final thoughts: a mid-range marvel in the making. So, is the Canon R6 Mark III worth getting excited about? All signs point to yes. Canon appears to be refining its already successful formula, delivering crucial upgrades in display, processing power, and sensor performance without pushing the camera out of reach for serious enthusiasts.